Okay, day 31, cylinder, one cylinder, 4 misfire and multiple cylinder misfires only during a cold start. What has been done? Just doing a recap. Air filter has been cleaned, mass airflow has been cleaned and checked. All the coils, as you can see, have been replaced. These are brand new Bosch coils, did nothing. Fan belt is replaced, alternator has been replaced, battery's been replaced and reprogrammed. Spark plugs have been replaced, all 4 regapped. Regapped to different specifications from 0.028 all the way to 0.048 and all at 0.002 increments, and it did not do anything. I had 2 sets of spark plugs, brand new. Intake manifold has been removed, and the carbon cleaning has been done twice. Throttle valve has been cleaned. There's a direct wire running from the alternator all the way to terminal 30 because there was a voltage drop between here and terminal 30. Terminal 30 is right under that. The box under here where the ECU or the ECM, engine control module, lives, that has been found to be wet, and because the engine was taken out, pistons were replaced, and the timing chain has been done. So whoever did the work, they left the wiring hanging in water or something, I don't know, but it was wet. I dried it a few times. Coolant has been replaced, power steering. There was a wire issue. Well, it wasn't really a wire issue. It turned out to be water related or humidity related in the box. There is the Servotronic wire, which you can see right in the middle of the image there. That I just rewired a new wire because I didn't know that the problem can be in the ECU box. I didn't fathom such an issue. Fan belt replaced, tensioner replaced, idler replaced, oil has been replaced. Oil separator is an original Audi oil separator. This is the newest revision. I checked vacuum leaks here, 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 and all the way there. No vacuum leaks. Also checked using VCDS. I checked all of the camshaft actuators. Oh geez, a lot of work has been done. Still misfiring on cold start, so we're gonna go ahead and start the engine now. I want to show you something, and I would really appreciate your input. So, engine cover is there. VCDS is ready to go. We're inside the car now. VCDS. Engine start. Cold start. Very smooth. And there is the CEL. I'll do an auto scan while we wait. That's just going to give me a quick, wow. Got a lot of codes here. All right, let's start. So, engine is running very smooth. There's no vibration whatsoever. So it stays on that cold cycle for about a minute. There, it dropped. The check engine light is still flashing. And now there's going to be a very distinct tick. There. That. Now, check engine light should be solid. And it is. It's at that split second where I don't know what happened in that exact moment. That's when the check engine light changes from blinking to solid. What happens in that split second? Feel free to rewind and see what it is. I'd really appreciate any inputs here. That's finishing the test. I'll post this scan online as part of the thread. Alright, well, again, any inputs are appreciated. You heard that noise, or not noise, but that little tick or blip or something where the engine really went from misfire to not misfire. Anyway, inputs would be appreciated. Thank you.